Is JumpTask really an easy way to make some extra crypto online for free, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make extra money and crypto online for free. And many viewers have asked me about JumpTask and I've actually used it for quite a while. So therefore I decided to record this JumpTask review where I will show you how to earn and the potential benefits in my opinion, and also who it's for and not for, because it's not necessarily for all. So before I log in, let's start by going over who can join. And currently, I would say JumpTask is only relevant for you if you're interested in earning cryptocurrencies for free. You can change that into cash, and I will also show you and explain how to potentially do that once I log in. But if you're not interested in crypto at all, I would say then it's better to just go for sites that pay via PayPal, because that just makes it whole easier. If you're not interested in crypto at all, then the extra steps about creating wallets and all that doesn't really make sense. But if you're interested in crypto, then it can be a way to earn. I will also show you payment proof later. But how to then do it is you just go to the website and you would sign up. You would just click to log in or sign up, and then you would need to connect a wallet. It could be Metamask, you can use Wallet Connect there. And I personally just have Metamask, and you can find plenty of tutorials online about how to create that. It's really not difficult and it's free. So I will just then log in with my Metamask so we are inside, and then you can see what you can then do to earn. So I'm now inside JumpTask, and you can see in the top corner there Metamask, that's what I'm connected with, and then you can see what I currently have earned of these JMPT JumpTask tokens there inside the platform. And the way you can earn, let's start by going over that, then I will explain more about this, how to cash out and how to potentially then keep it if you want to, or how to exchange it into other cryptos or to cash if you prefer that. But let's start by going over the earning opportunities. So if you scroll down, you can see the different options you can use to earn. And currently, some of the options are not yet available as of recording this video. Maybe they are by the time you watch it, but they are planning to give you an option to also earn by taking paid surveys and to do app reviews. I'm not sure exactly what that will be. That'll be interesting to see for sure. But right now they have the Honeygain and then offer walls. Honeygain is a platform or a software. You just install it on your devices. It can both be mobile and computer, and then you earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. So it's a completely passive way to earn. And this is what I have mainly been using to earn. I have just connected my Honeygain, and then whenever I earn on Honeygain, I get it paid directly into this JumpTask platform, which is like the fastest way to get paid from Honeygain, and you also get a bonus for that. So I have a full video where I show that. I'll leave a link in the top corner. So that's my main way of earning, but they also do have offer walls. As you can see right now, it's in beta, but you can see the different offers, and they have different options like that, different where you earn these different ones. Many of the offers are also on many other sites, but they do have quite a lot of options. So if you do like earning these jump token, then this can be a way to do that. But that's the current earning methods that you can use inside. But as you can see, they are planning to launch more earning methods. And I do like that they have worked this out with Honeygain, and they made this partnership so you can get the Honeygains out like this, because it does give some benefits and makes it faster to earn on Honeygain. But let's then talk about this. How do you then get paid out in these jump token if you get them from Honeygain or for the offer walls? What do you do with them, and what's the best way to do that? So as you can see, I currently have these 32 jump token or JMPT. That's approximately worth $63 currently with the current value of JMPT. It is a crypto, so it can go up and down. That's important to understand. But anyways, let me just show you my Metamask. I have it installed here in my browser. I'll just click that. And you can see it's on this Binance Smart Chain, and that is what it needs to be connected to JumpTasks. That is the network that it will transfer via, and I'll show you right now. I have 0 JMPT. I have had it in here before, but that's one thing that you need to be aware of there. You need to transfer it over there. I'll show you more about how to then do other things with it, but that's how you can get it out from JumpTasks. So right now it's 0, so let me just show you. I will just then transfer to my wallet, and then it says that you can see you need to transfer, and I will just click that to do that. And you can see now it is pending, And in my experience, usually it will go through within a few seconds. I have tried that sometimes it did not go through right away and then it failed after 10 minutes and I had to try again and then it went through. A few times I've also tried where I had to contact their support, and I must say they have very fast and responsive support. Usually they reply within a day maximum, so they are very helpful like that if you should ever run into problems. But usually it just automatically goes through, so I will just wait and see and then just get back to you here. Hopefully in few seconds it will be available in my Metamask account. So you can see right now it still says pending here, but sometimes you can see what that just changed there. Now it says 0, so that means it's gone through. You can see it's just not uploaded there yet. So if we click my Metamask in the top corner, you can see now I have these 32. It took a small gas fee, but it's very low gas fee to transfer that. So now I have these 32 JMPT. I can just hold them there if I want to. It can have some advantages. I will just talk about that in just a minute, to actually hold some JMPT here, because they do currently have a contest. So I just want to talk about that also. But anyways, you can also just hold them in general if you want to wait, if you believe that it will become worth a lot more. You can, on the website, you can read the white paper about the whole project. If you believe that it has potential to increase more, then you can hold now, and then what you earn now can potentially become worth a lot more. But anyways, I also want to show you how to get other cryptos, how to potentially take it out if you want to, because I know a lot of people will ask about that. But inside Metamask, you can then swap these JMPT to other cryptos. So I would just choose to swap, and I would choose, then you can choose the different ones. I would choose JMPT. You can see the current value there. I would say the maximum amount, for example, and then I can swap it into these different tokens that, you know, if I wanted Polkadot or Litecoin, Dogecoin, AVAX, there's a lot of great ones that I can exchange it into. Just be aware, to use Metamask to swap, you need BNB, a small amount. It's a very low fee in general, but you do need that to be able to send from Metamask or to be able to swap. So what you can do is, I actually have a video about 3 ways to earn BNB. I will leave a link in the top corner, so you can then either use them and then take it into Metamask, so you have BNB to pay for that small fee, or you can buy, for example, on a platform like Binance. That's what I have done, and then send a small amount over here. The fee for that is like tiny, and then you have it and can pay for that exchange. And then after that, you could also just choose to take some of it and exchange it into BNB, so you have it there. Once you need a small amount to do that at first. That's just important to understand. But anyways, in this case, let's say I want USDT. It's a stable coin. It's basically tied to the US dollar. I want to exchange all of it, and I just want that there, and then I can take it out from there. Or I can also just hold it there now if I think like the values right now, I just want a stable coin and then buy crypto at another time, or I can exchange it directly into another crypto if I want to. But for this example, let me just show with the USDT. I will just then click to review the swap. It says, you see, the gas fee, maximum fee is here 61 cents, so it's really not a lot. And then I will just click to swap it, and then it will just process it. We'll just have to wait a few seconds here, and you can see the fee was then deducted. This took 30 seconds or something like that, and then this has been added. I can close it, and then you can see I don't have these JMPT anymore, but this has been added then to my USDT. I had some USDT there already. Then I can keep them there, buy other cryptos, whatever I want, or I can send it. And this is why I also want to explain this, because I know a lot of people will ask for that. So again, you need a small amount of BNB to do that. What you would do is to just go to send here if you want to send it to another wallet. It could, for example, also be to Binance, which is what I've done, because there you can transfer, for example, USDT via the Binance Smart Chain with a very tiny fee, and then there you can buy basically any crypto, or you can take it out into a bank account if you want to, or leave it there to invest it in Binance Earn or something like that. So I could do that. I could click to send, and then you can just click or copy from, for example, Binance, the wallet, USDT wallet that is on the Binance Smart Chain in here, and then transfer it. I just did that recently to test it, actually just yesterday. It took like maybe 5 minutes from I actually did this till it was in my Binance account. So I'm not going to actually do that now. I want to leave it here now for other purposes, or to wait until I have more and then transfer it. No, this is just to explain how it is done, so you also know that either you can keep it, you can exchange it into other crypto and keep it here, or you can send it, for example, to Binance. And I'm mentioning Binance because it is the Binance Smart Chain network, so I know they have wallets where you can transfer it on that network because it's important it's the right network. So that's just to explain that. But I also mentioned there might be some benefits of holding the JMPT. Of course, if you believe in the project, the benefit can be that just holding it can make your earnings now worth a lot more in the future. Who knows? I cannot predict that, but there can also be more immediate benefits. So let's just talk about that also. So on JumpTask website, they have something called airdrop if you check it out there. And that means that if you actually get 10 or more JMPT, if you buy it there on PancakeSwap, I actually don't know if you earn it inside. It looks like you have to buy it, but if you then hold it, you can potentially win. You see the right here that you can win up to 1,000 JMPT, where they will do the airdrop, like choose the winners and then just drop it. You see 10 wallets will get 100 JMPT there at a specific date, and this is the current one as of recording this video. I cannot say whether this will come again after that date, so maybe by the time you watch this it's not anymore there, but then you can just check the website if they have other options like that. It's just something to be aware of when you consider whether you want to keep the Jump tokens or whether you want to exchange it or whatever you want to do with it. So to sum it all up, I think that JumpTask is an interesting platform, and I love their partnership with Honeygain because it has made it a lot easier and faster to get paid from Honeygain also. And as you can see, it's very easy to either then get it out as JMPT or to exchange it into other crypto or to get out from there. And I just love how easy it is and how fast it is, and they have great support. It will be very interesting to see the other earning opportunities it will introduce, to see how that would develop. I will definitely keep an eye on it and keep testing it, and also make more videos about it when they launch more earning method. But for now, many people have asked me about it, so I wanted to show what it currently offers and also explain a little bit more about the payout process and what you can do with the earnings, because a lot of people just wanted to know that. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.